Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to change a flat tire. Here are some of the supplies that you're going to need. You're going to need a new tube, a bike pump, and tire irons. Now I am going to show you how to take off the tire. You're only going to need to take one bead off of the rim. Now you need to pull out the old tube. It is not needed anymore. Now you're going to need the new tube. Now you're going to want to put just a little bit of air into the tube. You're now going to want to put the valve stem into the valve stem hole that is on the rim. Now you're going to want to take the rest of the tube and push it into the tire. Now you want to pull the tire bead snug against the inside of the rim. You're going to want to do this all around the rim until the whole bead is back inside the rim. Now you're going to want to pump up your new tube. So there you go. This is all it takes to change a flat tire.